Number one most important thing for an e-commerce store owner is to know its best sellers and bad performers, the winning categories, the losing categories of his store. And in order to understand and know these categories, you have to do a proper product testing. You have to run certain campaigns, you have to let the campaigns run, you have to spend your marketing budgets to see which of the products are giving good results, which are not. So for that purpose, you should be segmenting campaigns on similarities. By similarities, I mean you should be either creating campaigns on the base of categories, or you should be creating campaigns on the base of profit margins. For example, I highly recommend profit margin based, because different categories have different profit margins. Certain products has profit margin of around 10 to 20%, other has 20 to 40%. So you can segment these campaigns on the base of profitability ratio, and once you segment on the base of profitability ratio, then you are able to see which of your products are converting in easier manner and giving you profitable returns on ad spend and lower cost per acquisition. So these things are very important to understand the winners and losers. Once you analyze your winners and losers, then the next step is to spend higher budgets on the winners and the lesser budgets on those products who are performing less and giving you less profitable results. Like you can segment one campaign that is for graveyard campaign. In that graveyard standard shopping campaign, you can add all those products that are not performing well in terms of marketing budgets, not giving you profitable results. You can set manual CPC in a very lower cost per click. You can set up bid cap so that you spend a very minimalistic on losers, because you still want to have some visibility for these loser segments, to have some inventory run out or whatever your objective might be. And for winners, you need to go for the performance packs, segment them properly, give them the right audience signals for the scalability.